bitch.
Dear Sir Ma'am, good day. I, Carla May Arial, a PSITC student of Central Mindanao University, with the school ID number 1093958, would like to raise my concern about the certain problem I have in concern with my official receipt. Last May 29, 2012, around 3:40 p.m., I paid my school obligations in the cashier window 4. I paid my payments fully worth 7,410. Due to my confidence, I wasn't able to check my official receipt that time, for I and my companions are in a hurry for validation. It so happened that when I checked my official receipt today for midterm exam, the printed amount was only 2.5. I have my witnesses, namely Kathleen C. Marillo, Almerson Sina, and Karen Martizo, to prove that I truly paid 7,410. In line with this, I would like to ask what aid can you give to us? I am not accusing the cashier who issued my official receipt, but rather I'm seeking for a solution regarding this matter. Your positive and active action is highly appreciated. Thank you and God bless. Truly yours, Carla May Arial. Noted, Kathleen, Karen, Almerson, Sina. Noted me?
Noted.
Attested.
Noted.
Attested.
Noted. Number 2. Ano?
Attested.